Gold analysis long term. Hello people, I'm the Naked Trader and today I will analyze gold, all based on technical analysis. After just hitting the all-time high, we are now trying to find support somewhere, and let's find out together in this video what the interesting areas are for support levels so you can buy some if interested. Okay, starting at the monthly chart. This was the last drop off which brought us all the way here to the last low. And now we have gained the last drop off on the monthly chart. So that's very nice. There's no gain yet of the whole range. The whole range is above 1979. The gain above the drop off is above 1936. As you can see, no gain for the whole area. So there's still a few days left to close this month. 7 days. Still possible to gain the whole area. So let's see how we will close this month. Okay, I'll remove this one. And from the monthly, I'll change to the weekly. We held support at 1632. A low, and high, a high, a low, high, a high. We do have weekly gains of the whole area. Above 1994. Here you can see it. So the area is gained at the weekly chart. So might be still interesting for another higher low. With a potential profit of 9.6%. And if we break the all-time high again, then higher. Okay, from the weekly I will change to the daily. Okay. So I will make a plan for the coming days. either we test support between 1824 and 1842 and try to attempt to break the all-time high again. So that is one. And if we don't succeed to hold support at 1824, then the next stop will be around 1640 and try to come back from there. That will be around 11%. And if we aiming the all-time high, 21%. And if we lose support of 1640, then next step will be around 1524. So I prefer to see the first scenario because then we're still maintaining the construction. So an entry at 1824 and then aiming the all-time high again. Because if we lose this support level, then the upwards construction is changed into a downwards construction. Okay, yeah. So that's the plan for gold long term. Don't forget to subscribe, join Team Nakedtrader, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, follow me in the socials. You can find it in the banner in the description down below. Thank you for watching this episode and see you in the next one. Cheers!